So yun nga guys, no, last Friday, very challenging yung pagtitrade natin. Simula umaga hanggang hapon talagang sideways, very flat. Pero we're just making the most out of it na lang. Dire-range trade na lang natin. And yun nga, kahit maliit, basta marami, pwede na yan. So ganun yung natin, strategy natin dyan. And yun nga, sinasabi natin yan sa community natin. If we're gonna range trade, if we're gonna buy, if we're gonna sell, we're giving trade ideas. And hopefully, yun nga, marami nakasabay kasi yung nag-news time, ayun na, sabog na yung market and sabog na rin yung natin dyan, yung earnings natin. So talagang very successful yung pag-grab natin sa opportunity and hopefully marami nakasabay doon sa community natin sa Telegram natin. So if you're interested in forex trading and you really want to learn, ayan, you can check yung link dyan sa my bio ko. You can join our Telegram community and hopefully we see you there.